Hi everybody, welcome back. Robbo's GPX dirt bike page. Bit of an update on the GPX. Went out on the test ride yesterday, the first time riding it. Quite a few things I wasn't happy with, what needed sorting out still. But this morning I've got some AS3 Aluminium Cones to replace the rubber cones in the handlebar mounts. Let's have a look at them. So here we are. I've got the bar mounts off the triple clamps. We've got a sleeve nut, the clamp, and the bolt, the Torx bolt, and we've got the rubber cones, which are basically sandwiched like that between the clamp and the sleeve nut. There's quite a bit of flex in those, so I've got the AS3 ones, solid billet aluminium cones, so these will take any flex out of the bars. You know, there'll be a nice solid feel to them, which is what I want. More suited for enduro style riding, particularly if you're going to be dropping your bike. Bars won't twist as much, or they shouldn't, but you know, if anything, you should get your bars bending as opposed to the bars twisting in the rubber mounts. Okay, so just a quick view of the triple clamps from the top. You've got the bar mount, which is going to go on. Now on some you've got various mounting points for your bar mounts. On these, just one, and on some which are rubber mounted, you may have also like locating slots where your bar mount will go in, and when you tighten it up it won't rotate. Well, on this it's just a smooth setup, so that might affect our initial fitting, but we'll see how we get on. We're gonna have to just get the bolt just tight enough so we can adjust it and then get the handlebar on and then nip it up from the bottom. So well, let's see how we get on with this. So we've got a bar clamp, we've got a sleeve nut, we've got a bolt, and we've got two spaces, and we've got some Loctite. What I'm going to do is get some Loctite in the nut first. Just in the top of the nut. I put the first cone on, position that through, just drop the second cone in. The bar mount on now. I'm just looking at position wise, I might actually rotate these. I'm just going to see what the difference is, if any. There's a little bit of difference. I'll rotate it so the bars are going to be closer to the pivot point of the triple clamp. It might just feel a bit more nimble when I'm riding it then. So, yeah. So, that'll be enough. That'll go all the way down there. I'm just using the bar clamp, the top clamp, just to make sure these are somewhat like in line, and before we tighten up, and I'll just hold them in position as well. So that slots in there nicely. So I'll do this one first, what's closest to me. So that's a T40, and we'll just get a 17mm spanner on the bottom side. Just nip these up. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. That baby's tight. So we'll just get the bars on now, see what they feel like. So we've got the bars on, no give at all, rock solid. Those cones work perfectly on the GPX AS3 Aluminium Cones. If you are going to do any sort of enduro riding, I would say get these on. It'll just take all that flex out, and it'll give you a bit more confidence in the bars and confidence in the bike as well. That's what it's all about. If you're going to leave the cones in, the rubber cones, what I would say is make sure the sleeve bolts are Loctited and they're done up tightly. So that's it from my mum. Stay tuned. Robbo's GPX Dirt Bike page on YouTube as well, and Hard Enduro Adventure Media at Eurotech. See you soon.